Why is your wall wet? If you've discovered a wet patch on an internal wall, the first thing to understand is that there are many possible causes, and they often look very similar. Here are the most likely ones. First, condensation. Warm, moist air can condense on cold walls, especially in bedrooms, bathrooms, poorly ventilated rooms. This may leave walls damp and encourage mould growth. Next is rain penetration. Defective brickwork, pointing, render, gutters, roofs or window seals can allow rainwater to enter the building and appear as damp patches inside. Then on to hidden leaks. Water pipes hidden within walls or floors can leak slowly for months before becoming obvious. Even a small leak can create significant dampness. Which brings us to roof problems. Water entering through the roof may travel some distance before showing itself on an internal wall. And then rising damp. Whilst genuine rising damp does exist, it is often blamed incorrectly. Other forms of damp can produce very similar symptoms. So, why proper diagnosis is very, very important indeed. The same patch of damp could be caused by condensation, rain penetration, a plumbing leak, roof defects or several other issues. Treating the wrong cause can waste a great deal of money. A damp-proof course will not fix a leaking pipe, and replacing gutters will not cure condensation. So the bottom line is that you should not assume you already know the cause. Many damp problems look similar, but the correct solution depends entirely on where the moisture is coming from. So before committing to expensive repairs, take the time to understand the problem properly. For more information on damp problems and other difficult property issues, visit problemhomes.co.uk. There is a growing library there of ways of solving all kinds of problems like these.